Good evening, my dear student. Today, the same unit, the idea of a set only you will see in the maths class, but the new part is operations and Venn diagrams. This is the second topic of the ideas of a set. So the operations on set. In normally, the operations in mathematics in smaller classes, the operations on mathematics means the main operation is addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. These are the four important operations for mathematics. In smaller classes you will study. In mathematics means these four operation is main, but in operations on set means only using the addition and multiplication is main for operations on set. And one more thing is, in operations on set means it's a set language. You will tell union and intersection is the main operations on set. So union and intersection. So these are the two things in operations on set. First of all, you will see the union of two sets. So union of two set is very simple. The union of two sets A and B is the set of all the elements that belong to either A or B or both. So it is denoted by A union B. That U symbol will be denoted as union. So A union B is very simple one. The two set you taken for the union set. So A and B, the two set, the elements will be belong on either A or either B or both. That means all the elements on A and B both will be right in the set, means that set is called union of two set. So for example, let A is equal to 2, 4, 6 is the one set, and B is a set of 6, 8, 10. That means you will write A union B. That symbolically you will tell A union B is equal to the set A union the set B will be written. It's equal to, answer is 2, 4, 6 already in A, and the B having 6, 8, 10 already 2, 4, 6 we written. Again the 6 is coming in B, means no need to write once again for 6, only 1 6 will be right. After that you continue to write the B part X 8 and 10. So the full set of A union B is nothing but 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. That means all the A set and B set element will be written in the A union B. So A union B is nothing but all the elements belongs in both A and B. So the next one, the remaining examples also there. So you will study that. So the next part is intersection of two sets. So the intersection of two sets A and B is the set of all the elements which belongs to both A and B. It is denoted by A intersection B. The intersection is nothing but the U will be downwardly, it will be right, means that symbol is called intersection. So A intersection B. Intersection is opposite of union. Very simple one. The intersection means the elements only belong in both A and B. That means the common of A and B. Only the common part is called intersection. Simply you will tell that means the elements will be belong both A and B. That means both means it's only the common. So example you will see means it's clearly, let A is equal to set 2, 4, 6, 8 and B is equal to the set 4, 8, 12. So A intersection B is nothing but A set intersect B set is equal to the both having some common number. The 2 in the A but 2 is not in B. So 2 is not the answer. The next one 4 in the A set, again the 4 in the B set. That means both having the common 4. The next one 6 is not there in B. Next one is 8 but 8 is in B. So 8 is also the one of the common. And 12 in the B but A having no 12. So the answer is 4, 8 is the A intersection B answer. This is the concept of union and intersection set. The next one is disjoint set. Two sets A and B are called disjoint sets if they have no elements in common. That is, if A intersection B is equal to the empty set. So empty is nothing but there is no common in both A and B. There is no number. For example, 0 is not a the both set having no common. suppose the set having 0 in the set means the 0 also countable for one element. So there is no elements in the set means that set is called the disjoint set. So example, a is equal to x such that x is a positive integer. The set B is nothing but x such that x is a negative integer. That means A set fully it's a positive integer, B set fully the negative integer. So both positive integer and negative integer there is no common. So there is no common means the set is called empty set. So the A and B are disjoint set. The next one, it's a overlapping set. Two sets A and B are called overlapping set. Two sets at least one element in common, that is if A intersection B is equal to not equal to empty, that means opposite of disjoint set. Opposite of disjoint set is called overlapping set. In two set you take at least one element in common means that element set is called the two set having the overlapping set. That symbolically you will tell A intersection B is not equal to empty. A intersection B equal to empty means it's a disjoint. It's not empty means it's not equal to empty means it's the overlapping set. So x is a prime number, x less than 10, and B is the set of first two natural number. That means 2, 3, 5, 7 and B is equal to 1, 2. So the common is 2. That means any one element, at least one element, one or more element will be there. At least one element in the set means the set is called overlapping set. Okay children, this is today class. So you will see in today class union set, what is union set, and what is intersection set, what is disjoint set, and what is overlapping. So these are the today class. So thank you children to watching the video.